What's up guys, it's me Arshan, and today we are going to be unboxing some Adil Qadri Attars. So these are the ones that we're going to be unboxing. First up, we're going to be unboxing Oud Al Hashni. This one, very nice cover. We'll see how it smells like. It might smell good. And wait, I'll put it here. Next one we're unboxing is this lavish musk. Ignore the background noise, that's just my mom cooking. Other than that, wait, my mom cooked very nicely today. This is what she cooked for me today. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what she cooked. Paneer roti, musk, very nice. Okay, and the last one we're gonna be unboxing is this one. Okay, so let's start with the first one. It's called Oud Al Hashni. Okay, let's just get right to it. Look, it says Adil Qadri right here. Let's take it out. 3, 2, 1. You guys see it first. Let me see that part. Wow. Okay. So okay. Bottle. This is the Attar Oud Al Hashni. Let's try it. This one's nice. So this one, yeah, it has a oud. It has oud, and it smells really nice. I would rate this one a 9 out of 10. Let's put this to the side. The next one we're gonna be unboxing is Lavish Musk. So this is the Lavish Musk perfume. Oh. We got this Lavish Musk. So yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, again it says this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Lavish Musk. Let's take it out of the bottle. The box. This is the perfume. The Attar. Bro, why do I keep saying perfume? This is the Attar. Yeah. Let's see how this smells. Okay, put it on. Let's close the bottle, or else the perfume will dry up. This one is really nice. It smells very nice. This one I rate 10 out of 10. Very nice perfume. Okay, so far we've unboxed these two. Next one is Shania. This is the box. Okay, so now let's unbox this one. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow, look at that. I'm going to take it out of the box. This box to the side. Wow. Look at that. That looks so nice. well, it looks very nice, but let's see the smell. Okay, put some on, close the cap, or else the perfume will dry, the attar will dry up. Ah, that is very nice. That smells like sugar. Wait. It smells like sugary, but ooh, I don't know. Tangy a little bit. Maybe sour, I don't know. But it smells very nice combined all together. I don't know which notes are used in this, but they're very nice notes. And yeah, here's the bottle. These are the 3 that we unboxed today. Very nice. You should definitely go buy from Adil Qadri. They are very nice fragrances. Very nice. And yeah, that's my conclusion. This experience was a 10 out of 10 unboxing experience. Very nice attars. And yeah, make sure to share, like, and subscribe my video. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment how your attars, if you guys have attars, comment what attars you guys have, all of them, and we'll see. Also, don't forget to stay tuned, keep watching. I will be uploading vlogs maybe soon. There's possibly a chance I will be uploading vlogs. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and more gaming vids, more unboxing vids. Stay tuned for that as well. And yeah, I'm gonna have to end it here. This is my time to say goodbye. Okay, see you in the next video. Keep watching, stay tuned. Don't forget to have a beautiful day and live a great life. Goodbye.